There's never much love when we go OT. I pray to make it back in one piece.
This evening, we are very privileged to have
That's why I need a one dance. Fantasy in my head. One more time, but I go.
At du skrattar upp i. Och första vill Miss Amor Festival som är en kanske på London och Vampylo. La seconda på sig till Pena Lekvarne för det vi måste det. Presenting you a groomer of this giveaway 2026 and Shayish none other than this. At du skrattar upp i. Thank you so much for joining us this very evening. We are indeed privileged and fortunate to have you this. Thank you so much. Julie Bibi, alalipante, kabiyan orang kecil ini giveaway. Itu kado kau sebenarnya alalipante ini. Alay itu kado pega bagi. Jasamente, fashion industry lapet color job. Alay resume jam and ke journey awal itu makan. Kejapon kecil kado pega bagi. That's a very important to the bike we are indeed fortunate to have you this very evening. Also, the big time will also let you request the executive to do the honor. More important to I think the memory shot because they're not really true. Little Kachimon and choreographer, but if any also this KYF Kachimake Surini choreographer. Alam you happy Miss Julie Baby. Thank you so much.
You make me wonder, woman.
Bravo, this giveaway of 2026. This is just occasion of the 52nd. Which is represented by money for the state of the rich on everyone today. I need to go fun. I need to go more basic in me. Because of this, here I am. I'm the way you don't want the best. I'm going to go home. But this good hands to the floor, all our Jeff got to sit. like one of them is going with the crown of Miss KYF 2026. And some of the awards: Best Collection Awards at Rangde Bangalore 2017, Best Design Association Award at Rangde Bangalore 2017, Best Evening Gown at Miss Nagaland 2020, Best Designer of the Year Award at Best Designer Award for 2024, Best Ethnic Design of the Year at Best Designer Award 2024. Nasi alami binibigyan ito ng kapag-ibig ng Congo. Alali ka check here about PRLE BSc in Fashion Apparel and Design.
Why minta? Bagus, seks Cina. Hãy quy đọc thẳng cái băng đi thấy. Ông vua, đi thôi là.
Can you please repeat the question again?
Ông vua.
Name the national totem of the Karbis.
Mai nuôi xí pilot nè. Mai nuôi xí pilot.
So, thank you so much for the question, Miss. So, I would be saying Chambali at home. Thank you.
Microphone nuôi xí pilot.
Thank you so much. And sir, so much of cheer market just to know mga itong sing Simon po. So moving on to next, contestant number 5. You may pick up the sheet.
Microphone nuôi xí pilot.
Just a question is, do you believe tradition should always be preserved? I'll repeat. Do you believe tradition should always be preserved? Thank you for the question, Miss. I believe that our tradition should be preserved as it is the identity of our community and it reflects our past, which is passed down by our ancestors. Our tradition Contestant number 19, your question is, what is one social issue you feel personally connected and why? I'll repeat the question. What is one special issue you feel personally connected to and why? Thank you so much, ma'am, for these wonderful questions. Once again, good evening, Taralangso. Good evening to our respected tourist member.
So my answer will be, I think that one social issue that I truly personal connected, that will be we are living in a society where many people look down and judge people too quickly. And I think with that one only, the younger people lose their confidence before they even know about the world. So that will be one social issue from me, that as a human being, we should not forget about humanity first. Empathy should be our first priority. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Captain Silverity. Moving to next, we have Captain Silver Edwin. Now you may pick up the sheet for the basket.
Contestant number 11, your question is, who was the first among Karbis to be conferred with the Mastery Award? Ali, who was the first among Karbis to be conferred with the Mastery Award? Should I translate it in Karbi? Karbi ang konten at Mastriano ay kumasi kilong chemo. Thank you for your question, Miss. So I can answer this question.
I love you.
The answer is Professor Rongbong Terang.
Nalito taning chiming pulade, muning Miss Gawai plus one jaman sa dala hai. Next, moving on to contestant number 12.
If a tourist comes to Karbis, what are the 3 places you would take them? If a tourist comes to Karbis, what are the 3 places you would take them?
Thank you so much for the question. My answer to the question is, if the tourists come to our Karbis, the 3 places that I would tell them to visit is, the first venue would be our Taralangso itself. We have our we shoulder our rich culture, such as Notengpi Museum, where we celebrate diversity. Secondly, I would tell them the venue of the hidden paradise, that is our breathtaking waterfalls and all. And thirdly, I would tell them to visit the Karbi villages, where there is still the roots and they still follow the roots and culture. So these are the 3 places I would tell the tourists to visit our Karbi. Thank you.
Thank you so much, contestant number 12. Moving on to next, we have contestant 16.
What makes a woman truly powerful? What makes a woman powerful? Thank you for the question, Miss. What makes a woman powerful is when a woman is independent and has self-dignity, and also respect each other. That would be the powerful woman. That would be the powerful woman. Thank you.
Thank you so much, contestant number 16. Next, we move on to contestant number 14.
Contestant number 14, your question is, tell us about Dominic at home. tell us about Jambili Atoll.
Thank you for the question, ma'am. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Well, telling about Jambili Atoll, it signifies our culture and the Wojaru bird which stays there. And it states our 5 clans of Karbis, which is Kronjang, Lijang, Tungjang, Hanjang, and Ijang. Thank you.
Thank you so much, contestant number 14. Moving on to next, we have contestant number 13.
Contestant number 13, your question is, what is the name of the current president of Karbi Cultural Society, NCS? I repeat, what is the name of the current president of Karbi Cultural Society? Thank you for your question, ma'am. Sorry, I have not answered this question. Can I have
Thank you so much, contestant number 13. Moving on to next, we have contestant number 8.
Your question is, tell us in brief about Karbi Youth Festival. I repeat, tell us in brief about the Karbi Youth Festival. Karbi Solusi Bongaja Nangkanta.
Hello.
First of all, thank you so much for the question.
Number one.
So, talking about Karbi Youth Festival, actually Karbi Youth Festival is a very big festival for our Karbi people. It is very important, to give a Karbi Youth Festival, because without Karbi Youth Festival, without KYF, we won't be able to show about a culture, about a tradition to the other out of state or out of country.
Number one.
And talking about the beautiful thing about Karbi Youth Festival is that
Number 2. Dia sedih. Number one.
Thank you so much, contestant number 8. Moving on to next, we have contestant number 6. Good luck.
Number 6, your question is, what responsibility comes with having a public platform? What responsibility comes with having a public platform? Thank you for your question. Having a responsibility in a public platform is that our youth nowadays, we are showcasing our Karbi community, our Ritnong Chingdi, and our Hachakika. Those are also our
Both are also called showcasing in big platform. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, contestant number 6. Moving on to next, we have contestant number 2. Today we will develop the very first la question and answer कार्यक्रम in summary Japan.
Question number 2. Your question is, what does equality means to you? What does equality means to you?
First of all, thank you so much, Miss, for the question. As I got a question regarding equality, for me, equality means getting equal opportunity between every male and female regarding their caste, gender, or anything that discriminates people in this world. Equality should be in any form because talents are found in everywhere, in any person, in any place. So for that, opportunity should be given to each and everyone regardless of their gender or quality or anything that we look after them or we judge over them simply. So for me, equality should be maintained with equal opportunities that each should be given. Thank you.
Thank you so much, contestant number 2. We have last but not the least, contestant number 1.
Contestant number 1, your question is, if you win tonight, how will you use your platform to uplift the Garbi community? I repeat, if you win tonight, how will you use your platform to uplift the Garbi community?
Number one.
Well, thank you so much for the question.
Number one.
So dear ladies and gentlemen, if I win this title tonight, I would use my platform to uplift the young woman to receive the same opportunity as I am having today. I would help all the women to stand for themselves and to fight for what it is right and for their rights. And most importantly, I would prove the world that our culture, so we the people of Garbis, can grow with time by respecting our root while moving confidently into the futures. So by saying these few words, I would like to conclude. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, contestant number 1. So people, with this we have come to the end of the Q&A round. So once again, can we have a big round of applause for all our top 12 contestants? Thank you. Can we have the music, please? Yeah, let's make some noise for